Hey guys, what's going on? Tahir here, and welcome to this video StoryBot AI review. In this video, I will show you all the features of the software, the demo of it, and also the unique bonuses that I put together for you to help you get the most out of Beetle and Bear. In mind that you won't find these bonuses anywhere else, so please stay until the end of this video so you can check them all. And now I'm inside the members area. You will see how it's worked
very closely. What if I told you that in the next 30 minutes you could turn any simple idea or keyword into viral videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and more? Audiobooks that sound like premium streaming content in any niche and any language. Best for Spotify, Audible, Google Play Books, etc. Ready to publish ebooks that sells like tsunami on Amazon, Kobo, iBooks, etc. All from one single dashboard and in 100+ languages. No writing, no recording, no editing, no manual work. Just type a single idea, click twice, and watch an entire content empire build itself. Videos, audiobooks, ebooks, all done in under 60 seconds. And not just regular boring videos, audios, and ebooks. You can create videos that makes viewers stop scrolling and get them glued to the screen. Audiobooks that can get millions of plays on Spotify. Ebooks that sells and generates thousands of dollars.
As you see in video, basically, StoryBot AI is a brand new 3-in-1 AI platform that transforms any idea, keyword, or prompt into viral story videos, high-quality audiobooks, ready to publish ebooks, and the best part, it works in over 100 languages. Let's be real. Creating content online is not easy. You need script writing skills, video editing experience, voice recording setup, and a lot of time. For beginners, this can be overwhelming and expensive. That's where StoryBot AI comes in. Instead of doing everything manually, this AI tool automates the entire process. You just enter a simple idea and it instantly generates video, audio, and written content for you. Features here are some of its most powerful features. 1 prompt equals video, audiobook, and ebook, cinematic story videos with captions, premium quality AI voiceovers, professionally structured ebooks, supports 100+ languages, unlimited content creation, cloud-based works on any device. Benefits now. Let's talk about why this is a game changer, saves time and money. No technical skills required. Create multiple income streams. Publish on YouTube, Amazon, Spotify, and more. Perfect for scaling content fast. How it works. Using StoryBot AI is super simple. Step 1. Enter your idea or keyword. Step 2. Let the AI generate content. Step 3. Download and publish. That's it. You're ready to go. Basically, this video we will see together a full demo in a few minutes. But before doing so, I want to let you know that in the description below, you find the link to my bonus page that you see now on the screen. Here in the bonus page, you will find all the information that you need about the software, the funnel with the pricing that we will see together later on, and then all the unique bonuses that I prepared for you. And these bonuses really are created by me to help you get the most out of Beetle, and you won't find them anywhere else. So I invite you to take action and grab them now. These bonuses also will expire when the countdown timer here hits 0, so I really invite you to take action, because you won't find them anywhere else, and they are really congruent with AI. For example, the first one is YouTube Automation Course, Beginner to Advanced. If you're serious about making money online, this bonus is going to be extremely valuable for you. You'll get a complete YouTube automation video course that shows you step-by-step how to start, grow, and scale a YouTube channel, even if you're a complete beginner. Instead of guessing what works, you'll follow a proven system that can help you generate views, build an audience, and create a real income stream online. And the best part, if you get StoryBot AI through my link, you'll get this entire course absolutely free, no extra cost. So go ahead, check the link in the description and claim your bonus now before it's gone. Bonus number 200+ AI video prompts. Pack. This is a powerful resource you don't want to miss. You'll get access to over 200 AI video prompts that you can instantly use to create engaging, viral-style content in any niche. No more struggling with ideas or wasting time thinking about what to create next. Just pick a prompt, plug it into the tool, and start generating content right away. This will save you hours of work and help you stay consistent, which is the key to growing fast on YouTube. And remember, if you grab StoryBot AI through my link, you'll get this entire prompts pack completely free. Check the link in the description and secure your bonuses now. Now let's talk about bonus number 3, video marketing. Mystery. This is a powerful guide that reveals the hidden strategies behind successful video marketing and how top creators actually get views, engagement, and sales. Instead of just creating videos randomly, you'll learn how to position your content in a way that attracts attention and converts viewers into real results. This is especially useful if you want to turn your videos into a consistent income stream. And the best part, if you purchase StoryBot AI through my link, you'll get this complete guide absolutely free. Just check the link in the description and claim your bonus before it expires. Next is bonus number 4, the 30-day plan to kickstart your YouTube channel growth. This is a step-by-step action plan that shows you exactly what to do every single day for the next 30 days. To grow your channel from scratch, no confusion, no guesswork, just a clear roadmap you can follow to stay consistent and build momentum fast. Whether you're a beginner or struggling to grow, this plan will help you stay focused and get real results. And here's the best part. If you grab StoryBot AI through my link, you'll get this entire 30-day plan absolutely free. Check the link in the description and secure your bonuses now. Now, let's talk about bonus number 5, the DIY YouTube channel setup pack. This is a complete done-for-you kit that helps you set up your YouTube channel the right way. Without wasting time or effort, you'll get ready-made Canva templates, professional banner designs, and high-converting description templates, all designed to give your channel a clean and professional look from day one. So instead of starting from scratch, you can launch faster and focus on creating content and growing your channel. And the best part? If you purchase StoryBot AI through my link, you'll get this entire setup pack absolutely free. Check the link in the description and claim your bonuses now before the offer ends. Finally, bonus number 6, you'll also get all the exclusive vendor bonuses that are included with this product. As you can see on the screen, the vendor is offering multiple additional bonuses to help you get even better results with StoryBot AI. These bonuses are designed to enhance your experience, to give you extra resources and help you maximize your success faster. So, on top of my exclusive bonuses, you're also getting everything the vendor is providing, making this a complete value-packed deal. Just check the link in the description, grab StoryBot and unlock all these bonuses before the launch. And you just need to click one of these orange buttons here and it will be redirected to the official sales page of video, which is this one. And here, if you scroll down by clicking one of these buttons, you get access to the software and also to this package of unique bonuses. So I really invite you to take action now, before the countdown is 0. So now we will return to my bonus page that you find in the link below this video, and here we will see together again these bonuses. And I remind you that these bonuses are available only if you buy through me and are available only until this countdown timer is 0. So you need to take action now, and these bonuses will help you a lot with StoryBot AI will help you with your business to get more conversion, sales, and also you get all these unique vendor bonuses, which are really useful too. And to get all this package of bonuses along with the software, you just need to click one of these orange buttons. Inside my bonus page, you will go in the sales page of the vendor, and here you need to buy and you will get your bonuses. Now let's take a look at the complete pricing structure of StoryBot so you know exactly what you're getting at each level. Starting with the front-end offer, you can get access to StoryBot AI for just $17. At this entry-level price, you get the main software that allows you to create videos, audiobooks, and ebooks from a single idea. This is perfect for beginners and gives you everything you need to get started right away. Moving on to the first upgrade, which is the Pro or Premium Edition, priced at $47. This upgrade unlocks advanced features, improves the quality of your outputs, and gives you faster content generation. If you want to get better results and work more efficiently, this is a solid upgrade. Next is the Unlimited Edition. Also priced at $47. With this upgrade, you remove all limitations and can create unlimited videos, ebooks, and audio content. This is ideal if you're planning to scale and produce content consistently. After that, we have the Done For You edition, priced at $97. This version provides ready-made templates, pre-built setups, and done-for-you content. If you want to save time and avoid doing the work yourself, this upgrade is designed for you. The next upgrade is the Agency or Automation edition, available for $67. This allows you to offer services to clients, manage multiple accounts, and essentially start your own AI content agency. It's a great option if you want to turn this into a service-based business. Then comes the Reseller Edition, priced at $97. With this, you can sell StoryBot AI as your own product and keep 100% of the profits. This is perfect if you want to earn directly by promoting and reselling the software. Finally, there is the White Label Edition, priced at $397. This gives you full rebranding rights, allowing you to launch your own software brand using this technology. My recommendation is to start with the front-end version. Test the software and then upgrade only if you need more features or want to scale further. So basically, that's all for my review of Beetle. Thanks for staying with me, and I invite you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification button so you can be updated whenever a new review is out. Thanks again for staying with me. See you in my next video.